Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'm going to be working on fall tablescapes. I will be co-hosting another collab with my group, the Home Decor Luxe Club. And now, if you're looking for inspiration in your home, and honey, you've reached the right place, the right collab, and the right design squad, baby, because we gonna bring. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Before I go, if you haven't done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. It's just a simple black Dollar Tree runner. And on top of that is just this little piece of cloth. I am going to do a runner. I haven't got around to it. I promised it in a prior video that I was going to show you my DIY mud cloth fabric. For my table setting, I'm going to begin with this orange charged black Dollar Tree plate, and on top of that, an orange Dollar Tree plate. And then I have these little maple leaves. They came in an 8-pack, and I thought they were really nice. For our napkins today, I'm going to do a combination of things. These napkins I purchased at Hobby Lobby, $6.99, and then 40% off of that. I'm going to take these paper napkins and layer them in with my cloth napkin. I found these in Walmart, and they are hair tied. So I'm just going to take these, and then I'm going to use our hair tie. And you know I like to use unconventional napkin rings. For centerpiece today, I'm going to come in with this wreath, and I believe you saw me unbox this in my unboxing my fall decor video. If you have not seen it, I will be sure to link that in the description box below. Pick these up, odd lot it wasn't job lot, and I found these for $3.88. So really nice Slate coaster. The item, but I thought these were super cute for Halloween candle. Next, I'm gonna come in with these little pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree. Just gonna sit that at our 2 hostess place settings. I'm going to come in with my black glass. That better. Put your fork in the middle, and we're just going to turn and flatten as we turn. We want to flatten everything out so it all lays nice and neatly. Go into the middle and pop that center right out of the middle. Here, I just have some Dollar Tree candle holders, and on top of that is a little Dollar Tree votive. Generally put a sweet treat on my table, but today I have something safe. We bring you in for a closer look. I'd love to thank Allie of Glam Elegant Living for hosting this Bling on the Fall collab, and all of my fellow co-hostesses. Thank you for welcoming me into the Home Decor Luxe Club. Please stop by their channels and show them some love. All of their links will be in my description box below. So until next time, thank you again for watching.